In this video, you will see how to color first page in Word document like this. As you can see, I have no colored page starting from the second page, and it's very easy. First, you need to adjust the zoom from here so you can see full page. As you can see now, we are seeing the full page. Then go to the Insert tab. Under the shapes, select square and then draw the shape perfectly to cover up the page properly. Once done, you can click on the shape and under the shape format option, you can select the color of your choice. For example, I am selecting here yellow color. Now the text will not appear. To make the text appear, right click on the shape and go to send to back and select the option send behind text. Now this will send the shape behind and you will see the text. Now even if you move the text from first page to the second page, the page color won't change and the shape will not change. In this way you can change first page color in Word document quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly.